Hello, welcome back you guys to my channel this morning. Sorry I had a little bit of audio issues. I had to disconnect my portable USB web camera from it. That's why it sounds so foggy. So I can't disconnect the web camera and the computer itself together because it develops like a little foggy sound. So you guys excuse me for my upload this morning. I got to remove the camera this morning. Portable camera from off my computer. So this morning we will be going through the jobs that I uploaded early this morning again. The name of this job is called ApplicantPro, and it's a client support specialist position. And the company is called ApplicantPro. It's a remote position for $14 per hour, full-time, part-time pay. Part-time job that gives part-time pay. And the benefits of this job is 401k plan and dental insurance, flexible spending account, a health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, vision insurance, and work from home. And the full job description is Applicant Pro is in Eagle Mountain, Utah. Is looking to hire a part-time or full-time client support specialist. Do you want the flexibility to work both at home and from an office? Would you like to join a growing company with a supportive team environment where there is great potential for career growth? If so, please read on. The client support specialist position starts at $14 an hour with the opportunity to earn bonuses. We also offer great benefits and perks such as 7 paid holidays including Black Friday and Christmas Eve, generous paid time off that starts to occur on the first day, a 401k option, flexible spending accounts FSAs, life insurance, flexible work from home opportunities, a down-to-earth casual environment, a positive team-oriented culture, and the opportunity to earn a monthly housekeeping bonus. Our full-time 30 hours plus hours per week. Employees also have access to medical, dental, vision, and other insurance options. If this sounds like the right opportunity for you to leverage your exceptional customer service skills, apply today. About ApplicantPro, founded in Utah in 2007, we currently maintain offices in both Eagle Mountain and St. George. Our team provides our clients throughout the U.S. and Canada with user-friendly hiring software and a methodology that teaches them how to hire better. Hiring is more than just posting a job or getting applications. It's the first of many steps to a successful relationship between employees and employers. We believe that this should be a positive experience that takes the needs of both parties into consideration, and that's why we work hard to eat our broccoli and practice what we preach. We care more about results than about how things have always been done, and our people truly care about our clients and each other. We are proud to have been named one of Utah's top working places by the Salt Lake Tribune. As we steadily grow, we've come to understand that the core of Applicant Pro is our amazing team. We hire people based on their potential more than their history. Our amazing vibe welcomes creative, innovative, and collaborative minds who enjoy being part of a passionate and supportive team. We have an informal work environment but are serious about what we do. Our employees are too busy growing and delivering results to get mired down in office politics. No one is ever forgotten in the corner to push papers at ApplicantPro. We encourage each other to stay humble, be hungry, think smart, solve problems, build confidence, think abundantly, and be authentic. A daily life of a client support specialist. As a client specialist on our award-winning client service team, you are a lifeline for the overworked HR professionals and hiring managers that we serve. You and your fellow specialists are the face of our company for most of our clients. You are quite literally the main reason they love using our software. Whether they're experiencing a glitch, aren't sure how to optimize their hiring process, need to know if our software has a particular capability, want to sort out a billing issue, or need advice on how to get more applicants, they can count on you. You simultaneously answer the phone, participate in chats, and respond to emails that are funneled into our client service system. You make sure that no one has to wait very long for a response. Most of your workload requires you to use your troubleshooting and problem-solving skills to get to the bottom of something complex. Many times you have to come up with a new, creative way to solve a problem that you've never seen before. And if you can't help them yourself, you find out who can. It's a good thing that you love a challenge. The key to your success is that you never give up and leave anyone hanging. You are all about following through and follow up. You make personal connection easily, ensuring that every client feels valued. You take care of challenging opportunities as they arise and provide excellent service to our clients. You feel good about representing the company with a solid reputation and playing an important role and part in their success. You enjoy helping our clients achieve results as a client specialist, support specialist. Qualifications for a client specialist is above average computer skills, ability to discuss additional features, upgrades, or services with confidence, exceptional customer service skills. Do you have excellent communication skills, both written and verbal? Are you a quick learner? Do you go above and beyond? Are you flexible? Do you work well as part of a team and support the success of others? If so, you might just be perfect for this customer service position. And a work schedule is this part-time flex customer service position requires ability during business hours from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Monday through Friday. The schedule is between 20 to 40 hours per week with the ability to flex up in hours when requested. When you're ready to join, it's a 3-minute long application, mobile-friendly application that you can apply to. And they just posted this morning, so if this sounds like something that you would like to do, jump on it. And the second job for this video will be with Williams Davis Realty. The company is Williams Davis Realty, and they have a remote position for this job role as an administrative assistant. It starts with $21.07 per hour to $23, up to $23 to $34 per hour full-time position. And this job qualifications is you have to have a U.S. work authorization required, and a customer service of 1 year is preferred. And the benefits for this job, you have health insurance and paid time off. And for this job description of the duties that you will be doing for this job is answering phones, scanning documents, sending facsimiles, I don't see this word very often, you guys. Sorry about this. Facsimiles and emails. Strong communication skills, both written and verbal. Maintaining calendars and deadlines. Document preparation. Proficiencies would include proficiencies in English and Spanish. Proficient in Microsoft Word and Adobe. Detail-oriented, ability to work independently. Must maintain confidentiality, organized, and team player. And this is a full-time job position, and the pay once again is $21.07 start up when you start this job, and up to $23.34 per hour. It's a 12-hour shift, and it's a work from home position. And customer service is 1 year preferred for experience, and they're hiring for one candidate, urgently hiring. And they're posted today. So this is it for this video, you guys. Sorry about the previous upload for this video. But once again, this is it, you guys. Come on, let's sparkle and shine. Let's keep on going. Let's go, 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 go. And let's get it. Like and subscribe if you like my content. And come back and hit the notification bell and hit that like button if you like any of my content. And see you on the next video. Bye.